Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn keyboard faster. First, ensure your hands are positioned correctly on the home row, with your fingers curved and relaxed. Avoid looking at the keyboard. Instead, focus on the screen. This foundational step is vital for building muscle memory and developing efficient typing habits. Consistent, short practice sessions of 15 to 20 minutes are far more effective than infrequent long ones. To truly master the keyboard, embrace touch typing. This means using all 10 fingers, each responsible for a specific set of keys. Start by practicing the home row keys, like ASDF and JKL:, until you can hit them without hesitation. Online typing tutors offer excellent structured exercises that guide you through key groups, helping you build accuracy and rhythm systematically. When you begin, accuracy is far more important than raw speed. Focus on hitting the correct keys every time, even if it feels slow. As your accuracy improves, you can then gradually work on increasing your words per minute. Practice typing common words and complete sentences to build fluency. This approach ensures you develop good habits, preventing errors that are harder to correct later. To sustain your progress, integrate typing practice into your everyday computer use. Instead of just doing drills, try to apply touch typing to emails or documents. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 minutes every half hour, to keep your mind fresh. Regularly review your typing speed and accuracy scores to pinpoint areas needing more attention, ensuring continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.